Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, September 15, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to wake up. Long day ahead.
I know, right? I've got a big meeting later.
Oh, busy as always? Hey, did you hear about that news from France?
What news? Tell me.
Their president lost another prime minister. That's the fourth one in 20 months?
Really? That's a lot of changes.
Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, how can they keep business deals steady with all this mess?
True. It must be hard to plan anything long-term in France right now.
Exactly. I've got clients there and they're always worried about new rules.
I get it. A country in crisis can't make good decisions for companies.
Yeah, it's a headache for sales. Let's hope they fix it soon.
For sure. Stability is key for everyone.
Hey, speaking of headaches, did you see the new Apple stuff?
No, what's new with Apple?
They just showed their latest iPhones and watches. Big event this week.
Oh, nice. Are they much better than the old ones?
They say so. I'm thinking of getting one for work, to look cool in meetings.
Always about the image, David. But yeah, new tech can help with work.
Totally. I just hope it's not too pricey.
True, but Apple always pushes for innovation. It's good for projects to have the latest tools.
Yeah, maybe I'll ask the boss for a budget. What do you think?
Go for it. New tech can make a difference.
Cool, I'll try. Oh, and did you hear about that big Powerball thing?
Powerball? Like the lottery?
Yeah, it's huge right now. The jackpot is crazy high, like millions.
Wow, that's a lot of money. Are you playing?
Haha, maybe I should. If I win, I'm out of this office tomorrow?
Don't leave me here alone. But yeah, it's fun to dream about it.
For sure. Imagine buying a big house or a fancy car.
Or just not worrying about bills. That would be nice.
Totally. Hey, do you think lotteries like this make people happy or just stressed?
Good question. I think it's fun, but some people spend too much on it.
Yeah, true. I'll just buy one ticket for fun.
That's a good plan. Keep it simple.
Yeah. Hey, how's your project going, by the way?
It's okay, just a lot of emails today. What about your sales?
Busy as ever. Got 2 new clients to call after this coffee.
Nice, good luck with that. I'm sure you'll close the deal.
Thanks. I hope so. I'm pretty tired already, though.
I feel you. Coffee helps, but I need a break sometimes.
Same here. Maybe we should plan a quick lunch later.
Sounds good. Let's check after my meeting.
Deal. Hey, did you finish that report you were working on?
Almost. Just a few more numbers to add. What about you? Any big targets this month?
Oh yeah, I've got a big goal to hit. Gotta push hard.
You've got this. Just keep smiling at those clients.
Haha, always. That's my secret weapon.
It works. Hey, I'm curious. What do you think about all these changes in France?
Honestly, it's a mess. I just hope it doesn't mess up my deals.
Yeah, politics can hit business hard. Let's see what happens next.
For sure. And hey, if Apple's new phone helps me sell more, I'm happy.
Good point. Tech can be a game changer.
Totally. And if I win that Powerball, I'll buy us all new phones.
I'll hold you to that. It's a nice thought.
You bet. Hey, I better get back to my desk now.
Me too. Have a good day, David.
You too, Alex. See you later.
See you later. Take it easy.
Always do. Catch you at lunch, maybe?
Sounds good. Let's keep in touch.
For sure. Have a great one.
Thanks, you two. See you soon.
Hey, don't work too hard, okay?
I'll try not to. You either.
Deal? Talk to you later?
Later, David. Good luck with those calls.
Thanks. I'll need it. See ya.
See ya. Take care.
You too. Let's chat again tomorrow.
For sure. Have a good rest of the day.
Thanks, Alex. You too.
Thanks. See you around.
Catch you later. Don't forget to smile.
I won't. See you soon.
Cool. Take it easy, Alex.
You too, David. Bye for now.
Bye. Let's get this day done.
Yes. Let's do it.
All right. Back to the grind. See you.
See you, David. Have a good one.
You too. Talk soon.
For sure. Bye.
Bye, Alex. Keep it up.
Thanks, you two. See you later.
Later. Don't stress too much.
I'll try you either.
No promises. See ya.
See ya. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Catch you later.
Later. Take care, David.
You too. See you around.
See you. Have a great day.
Thanks, Alex. You too.
Thanks. Bye for now.
Bye. Let's chat tomorrow.
For sure. See you then.
Cool. Have a good one.
You too. Bye, David.
Bye, Alex. Take it easy.
I will. See you soon.
See you. Keep smiling.
Always. Bye.
Bye. A fantastic day.
Thanks, you too. See you later.
Later. Let's get to work.
Yes, let's do it. Bye.
Bye. See you around.
See you. Take care.
You too. Have a good day.
Thanks, David. You too.
Cool. Catch you later.
Later. Bye for now.
Bye. See you soon.
See you. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too, Alex.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye. Let's keep in touch.
For sure. See you later.
Later. Take it easy.
I will. Bye, David.
Bye. Have a good one.
You too. See you around.
See you. Keep it up.
Thanks. Bye for now.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Have a good day.
Thanks, Alex. You too.
Thanks. See you soon.
See you. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Have a great day.
Thanks. See you later.
Later. Keep smiling.
Haha, I will. Bye.
Bye. See you around.
See you. Take it easy.
You too. Have a good one.
Thanks. Bye, David.
Bye. See you soon.
See you. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too, Alex.
Thanks. Bye for now.
Bye. Let's chat later.
For sure. See you then.
Cool. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Thanks. See you around.
See you. Keep it up.
Thanks. Bye, David.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks. See you soon.
See you. Take it easy.
I will. Bye.
Bye. Have a fantastic day.
Thanks. See you later.
Later. Keep smiling.
Haha, I will. Bye.
Bye. See you around.
See you. Take care.
You too. Have a good day.
Thanks. Bye, David.
Bye. See you soon.
See you. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks. Bye for now.
Bye. Let's get to work.
Yes, let's do it. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.